Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete your YouTube search history on a PC. Open your browser and log in to YouTube. Once you're logged in, you will find the profile icon at the top right corner. On the extreme top left-hand side, you will see 3 parallel lines. Click on that, and you will find options like View History, Playlist, and Watch Later. We just have to click on History. Then, on the right-hand side, you will see the option to Clear All Watch History. Click on that to clear your watch history. In this manner, we have successfully cleared the YouTube search history. You can try it too. Let me know in the comments section whether this tutorial was helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe.